There's a hadith that we hear about where the Prophet ﷺ, it's related to the Prophet that he has said that we don't give position to anybody who desires a position. But when we read in Quran, Sayyidina Yusuf asked for to be made minister for that kind of like food. So how do you look at that?
I don't see Sayyidina Yusuf alayhi salam asking to be allowed to take control of the preservation of the produce, the corn and so on of Egypt, as wanting to promote any personal agenda.
Yeah.
I don't see that at all. What we have today is people seeking to promote a personal agenda, wanting to advance their own personal interests. But that certainly was not the Nabi Yusuf alayhi salam, right?
Yeah.
It was as a consequence of his being in that position that he was able to succeed in bringing the Israelite people back to Egypt.
Yep.